My name is Jane Nnadi. I attended the workshop today, and actually I am very excited that I did this. One of the reasons that have been stopping me from starting my own agency is actually fear of lack of information. But today it's like I don't know, my eyes is open to really open. I'm so glad that I actually made joy today. The workshop was fantastic. There's lots of information, so I'm looking forward to starting my agency actually this evening, if it's possible. If it's possible. So I am so excited. I'm planning to take this far if it's possible with the support and help of Joe. My future plans is international. So I'm really glad I'm here. I'm really so glad I'm here. Thank you so much, Joe and the team. Thank you.